We live in a world where things are set up super tight, trying to make our way out through timelines, schedules, office politics, social obligations, headaches, backaches, eye strains, and whatnot. But at the end of the day, when you pack your bags, your journey back home deserves a car that makes you forget everything else. In a situation like that, you may want to open your doors to this. When you look at the Compass, you cannot miss the sheer amount of road presence it commands. The styling is so strong that you are somehow drawn to it and you want to keep looking at it again and again and again. The design is very, very mature. It isn't trying to impress you with so many design-related elements or design-related drama for that matter. It is simple, straightforward, sophisticated, and unmistakably the Jeep. The Jeep, in fact, talks to you. My personal favorites are the 7-slat Jeep grille on the front, the squarish wheel arches, the amazing approach and departure angles, and of course these 18-inch alloys that lift the car's stance overall. The whole idea behind the Jeep Compass is to keep you engaged behind the steering wheel. There are so many small things that make sure that you look forward to driving the Compass anytime. For someone who sees a car as something more than just 4 wheels and an engine, then driving the Compass is like having this intimate conversation between you, the steering wheel, the tires, and the roads. And if you ever run out of roads, that's not a problem as well with the 4x4. This is the Jeep Compass Trailhawk, which means you have a 2-liter 173 PS diesel with 350 Nm of torque at disposal. That's not the only cool thing in the car. The cooler thing, in my opinion, is this 9-speed automatic. Now, the gear ratios of the automatic and the torque spread of the engine, they come together really well, and therefore you get acceleration on demand anytime, anywhere, anyhow. The Compass takes the whole concept of connected cars and reverses the whole thing. It is not about the connection between car and the cloud and the telematics and all the information on your phone. It's about the real connection between you and the car. And that's something that you never find in cars of the modern era. I just love the way the steering feels on the Compass. It doesn't feel disconnected like so many other cars out there. It feels there's a lot more life to the steering. There's a lot more feedback to the steering. You know exactly what you're doing with the steering. And that's something that could change the way you think about the Compass. That's a very key element to ensure that you get deeper into the driving experience. It's like eating organic food as against junk food. It feels a lot more authentic. And I have to tell you about the suspension setup. Usually, suspension setup is a very tricky business because if the setup is too soft, then you lose driving confidence at higher speeds. If it's too stiff, it sort of breaks your back in the city when it comes to bad roads. But what if the suspension could change based on how fast you're going, right? That will solve everything. So meet FSD, frequency selective damping, that the Compass comes with. That way you have a completely optimized driving experience with ride and handling all factored in and sort of sorted together based on your speed. That's brilliant. The interiors of the Compass might not look the most fancy, but it has the air of premiumness and sophistication to it. All the materials around here feel really well put together and built to last, and they don't feel very superficial. The icing on the cake is the soft touch material all over the dashboard to add to that posh feeling. The ergonomics are spot on. Everything is where you want them to be. I love the seats, the structure, the width, the side bolsters, the head restraints. Everything is there to ensure that you have the best driving position along with the steering adjustment. Even in the rear, the space is great. You have a lot of knee room, you have a lot of leg room, you have a lot of shoulder room, and you don't even have to worry about the headroom because with the panoramic sunroof you have almost no roof at all. From a safety perspective, you get 6 airbags all around, and you really don't have to question the build quality of a vehicle like the Jeep Compass. And then there is this blanket of electronic safety around you as well. Take ABS, of course. There's electronic stability program, electronic roll mitigation, hill start assist, and all these to ensure that even if you carried away by the Compass, driving the Compass and practically enjoying it, it still has your back. Somehow driving the Compass would feel like an organic extension of yourself. The Compass is more than just your car. It is your partner. It is your partner for your good days. It's your partner for your bad days. It's there, just being there to lift you up. I know for a fact that eventually I will have to move on from the Compass. But the Compass ensures that I know what comes next.